Hello everybody, this is Capitalist Games and welcome back to Crossout Let's Build. Today we're gonna build a little racing car using the grill cabin, light engine and 8 EVA boosters. Okay, starting off, gonna grab myself actually a lightweight 2x4 frame, mount the grill cabin all the way forward and then place another one up front. Moving it up, I will place 3 AV boosters underneath and then a bear on the side. After that I'll be placing medium steering wheels all around and then simply place 3 of them up in the rear and then the light engine up front. Next up is the patterning. We're gonna get this one group 1 and this one group 1 and this one group 1. So the bottom ones and the top ones. This one is gonna be group 2. Gonna loop this one in group 3 as F and together with that one. So got this one group, this group, and this group. Of course it can be handy to grab a car jack if needed, but you're not really gonna need it, and giving this thing more lightweightness is better. I'm actually gonna buy myself an extra AV booster since they're only 0.20 and gonna use 9 of them. Gotta redo a little bit of the patterning. So left mouse, F, F, F. So gonna group this one at 1 and leave those two as F. So we got this group, and we got this group, third group. A little bit too much acceleration. Gotta take it easy with the boosting. There we go. Little bit hard to control at first. I'm not really used to racing, so I personally do like the looks of this thing, but if we're gonna make this thing an art build, then we're gonna add a few parts. First off, a little grills, buggy grill parts to make this thing look sleeker. And I don't know if we can fit something right here. Yes, we can. So those go there. So this thing has kind of a rounded edge shape right here. And a buggy grill in the rear to make that rounded off as well. Then grab another one of these buggy grills, 5s, and actually no. Actually, let's take a look how this looks. No, let's keep it like this. And then we gotta add some kind of bottom part here. We can add some kind of a rear thing right there, but this is good. White front. What else have we got? Can we put these ones anywhere? Doesn't look like it. Can do this, but nah, that doesn't look cool. those give a little effect, so I'm gonna leave those off. And instead we're gonna actually I can grab some large parts, but this is already slightly hurting the acceleration, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna stick to a simple design. 2 of those, and then this one. That. Actually, I got an idea. This is gonna be looking pretty damn cool. Oh, wrong way. This, and then final part, one of these. Now this thing looks pretty cool in my opinion. It's not really gonna be decreasing in speed, I think. Its health doesn't increase, so I actually think let's take a look at how it boosts all the way. Oh god. Well, I just using 2 groups at once, nothing more. So you get that quick grouping. This is the art version. If you follow up to the part where I started adding the actual parts, then you got the competitive version. Because they're not really gonna be much different. Other than the armor added to the nice looking version. Of course, being a race build, you don't have any weapons. And having this many parts anyway doesn't really allow you to add weapons, so I'm not able to do that. But let's see if I can make it just a tiny bit nicer. I want to add something to smooth that edge there, but I got nothing really to add there. Damn. Would have to do it with a truck slope, but that's such an heavy part, so you can actually, if you add it or remove it, if you look at the little acceleration bar, you actually gonna see it move, so I'm gonna keep it like this. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the build and the video, and I'm not gonna upload this because it's actually a really simple build up until the armoring. I mean, let's go over it again after removing the armor. You start out with one forward frame, then add the buggy cabin, then add 3 trusses underneath, add the lightweight frame, then 2 on the sides, and then the 4 wheels, then add the light engine in front, and the 4 trusses in back. And then you've got your little buggy right here, already done. Make sure you actually have all 4 wheels steering, because otherwise you're gonna actually lose grip when moving too fast. And this thing actually has a limit of 4 trusses by the looks of it for maximum acceleration. Because if I do this, it explodes. So I actually think you're gonna have to switch out one of the bottom thruster here to a little bonus group. So we got this one, and then all groups separately. It's probably better. Little buggy is so funny to have like this. Yeah, the buggy's cabin itself is for top speed. The engine is for acceleration. Actually, let's see what the groupings are gonna be best. This here has pretty much 2 bottoms and 2 mids. This one is top, and this one is middle as well. I think you have to group the, let's see, that one with the F group and this one with the 1 group. And you have the 2 group as a spare. So we go for it again. These groups. And then these groups for best stability. Because then you're gonna have the actual attack, the engine power is just above the center of mass. As you can see here, they're gonna be the central thrusters, these side ones sticking out most. That's gonna be where the center of thrust is, and then it's above the center of mass, so it's gonna keep you underground. Because if you activate everything underneath, those are not everything underneath. This one is underneath one. So if you can activate, I gotta activate 2 and the left mouse button. So gotta wait for the regenerations to continue. And left mouse button 2. It's got a boost, and it's gonna be keeping it stable, but if you do something weird on a hill or something, it's gonna be sticking out with balance, so that might be an issue. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this build. Again, since I basically made a tutorial for it in this video, I'm not gonna put it on the exhibition because it's such a simple build. And I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.